Kiat, Cassandra Salvani, Reo Ong, Maxine De La Torre, and Maria Paras. Here is, oh, nice pass by Afril to Jack. Oh, in favor of the Gilas, Pilipinas. Here is Jack again. Layup is good for malaking bagay to, or this is a good factor for the FEU Lady Tamaraws to have
Daniel.
Again, here is Yvette. Yvette, good block by Jack. Here's an attempt, no good. For the Lady Tamaraws. Sabi ko sa inyo, kahit malamig sa labas, mainit ang laban dito sa loob. Here's Castillo, butter! In the third quarter. Here's a handoff to Janine for three, butter! For Janine Ponteo. Grabe. Again, here's Janine for three, no good. Medyo maalat si ano ngayon. And there's a putback for Jack Animan. There's Luna. Luna to Jack again. What a move and what a play for the Gilas, Pilipinas. There's Stephanie Berberabe to Janine. To Jack. Yes, ma'am.